How do I attract a man? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lattydesire. So today's video, I'm gonna be giving you 10 ways you can attract a man. But before we get into the video, please go ahead and click on the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a part of my family. So let's just cue the intro and get into the video right now.
We living free. Minding my business, doing what's right. I'm living happy. Yes, I'm alright. Taking chances. I'm doing just fine. Walking on sunshine. I'm living life.
I am a model for over 10 years. Plus, I'm a socialite. I've interacted with a lot of females and I've interacted with a lot of males. I also love to experiment on my looks. Now I'm in the shortier phase. I've done the afro phase. I've done the long Brazilian hair, the wig days, the glam up, the glam down, the days where I just don't feel like doing anything. I feel like I just want to go about my busy day. But for some reason, I always get men attention. I've been asked out almost every day to go out on a date, like 2-3 times for the day. So what am I doing to get all these attention? I'm gonna be giving you 10 ways I know for sure that works. Number 1, do simple makeup to enhance your beauty. Most time when we hear men say that they do not like women who wears makeup, but there's a 90% chance. I don't believe that they don't like when we wear makeup. I think that they don't like when we are wearing too much colors on our face, as in a fully well done. Whenever I get my face fully done, like full makeup, I get way more attention from females. Like girls will be like, oh, I like your makeup, or people. I get more attention from females when my makeup look very simple and cute, like what I'm wearing right now. I get a lot of attention from males. They want to see what we looks like without wearing all of this. So the simpler and cuter the makeup is the better for you to show what your true beauty is. Men goes after what they desire and finds attractive. So if you're not yet on your makeup journey, I'm going to be giving you 3 links in the description where you can start learning how to do a nice, neutral, well done makeup look. If you haven't started your makeup kit as yet, you need to get a foundation that works well for your skin. You need to get a brow pencil, a brown pencil. If you do not have a full brow, you need to get a black eyeliner to pop your eyes. You need to get a lip gloss and a lipstick that complements you well. I have a lot of lipstick, guys, but these are my favorite. This lip gloss, I paid $1. I got it in a beauty supply. It's called Kiss Broadway. It has different flavors. You have the coconut. This one is a coconut one. It's for $1. $1. It's perfect. It works well like a Victoria's Secret lip gloss. So you can check it out. Also, I have my Maybelline lipstick. So this one, I'll line my lip and I'll put on this color to give that luscious, kissable lips. So you can line your lip with a brown pencil. You can put this on it and then have this lip gloss and put it over your lip. Also, when I need to feel like my, Lattydesire, this is my favorite lipstick that complements me well, a red lipstick. This is also from Maybelline. When buying clothes, I tend to go for clothes that are not in style or trending, because to me, it's a waste of money, because when the clothes is no longer trending, you gotta put it aside, and I don't like to waste my money. So next time you go in your favorite store, only check the sales rack, because there's always some simple, cute, elegant looking clothes that are affordable and approachable. So make sure when you go in your favorite store, check the sales rack before you start shopping. Also, you can try your thrift shop. There's always some good pieces too. Girl, you want to be on a budget. You don't want to waste your money, but always try to look simple, cute, elegant, and approachable. Number 2, a man loves a woman who has a great personality. It will be so attractive to you if your personality is on point. I know we have a lot of hormones, so sometimes we get moody, complain. They do not like that. Of course, we all know that. So try to work on your personality. Try to be more approachable. You don't take everything too serious, and you have a great sense of humor, and he also will watch you how you treat others too. Number 3, men love to look at our feet. So make sure that you are taking a little dime from your pay, whatever your income is. Make sure you're taking something, putting something aside for self-care as it relates to getting your manicure and your pedicure. If you're not able to do a full set all the time, make sure you're at least going to do a pedicure and a manicure and get a gel polish. Get some gel polish. Number 4, read. A man loves to have interesting conversation. Not just all about vanity and cute stuff and girly stuff and girl argument last night or who gets on your nerve and all that. He loves to have a good conversation. So reading will help to expand your knowledge and to develop your skills, so that you can be having value, like you can give him some form of substance when having these conversations. I can hold a conversation for over 3 hours with a guy or anybody who I just met. So start developing yourself. Read. Reading help to expand your mind, and to or traveling also help you to know about different cultures and have a better understanding for people. Wherever it takes for you to develop yourself as a person, do it. Not just for him or whosoever are trying to attract somebody so you're gonna fix yourself. No, work on yourself. If you need to get a coach, a mentor, or be around people of excellence, watch videos that can help you, but educate and develop yourself as much as possible to learn new skills. A man will adore a woman who brings him value in that area. All right. Number 5, invest in your body. Personal hygiene is very, very important. A man will become a magnet to you if you take care of yourself, as in you shower well so your skin smell good, you feel rejuvenated, your skin feels smooth. It will become a magnet to you. You'll be like, So growing up, I usually see my sister, whenever she goes to the bathroom, she always have her body spray, a nice body gel, oils, good lotion. So I've adopted that from her. And whenever I take a shower, I always make sure that I have a nice soap, not just to make me smell good, but it also works on my skin. Body spray after showering, and of course body oils and lotion. That's gonna help for my skin. So there's a ton of good affordable brands out there. Make sure you don't just get the cheap one, you get one that is gonna help your skin and make you smell really, really good. Number 6, exercise and eat right so you can feel and look right. No more, I don't have no money to go to the gym. Oh my God, nobody not doing. No more of that. No more excuses. A man loves a woman who takes care of her body, not just her coochie. A man loves a woman who takes care of her body. So if you're not able to afford a gym or get somebody to help you to a personal trainer or whatever it is, there's tons of videos online that you can do in the comfort of your own home. You can start walking help to make you lose weight very quickly. Walking, running, whatever activity you like doing, start practicing doing that and eating like good meals. I'm not saying that you have to telling you what to eat, but eating healthy is very good. It makes your body even smell better, especially down here. You know, eating a lot of junk food, your body gonna feel bad, the energy is gonna low, all that, you know. So eat and exercise right, and also that will be a way to motivate him. And if he's already in that field, girl, that's a plus for you. That's a plus, because if he's working out and he's on his journey, working on himself, and you're doing the same, that's a big plus for you. Number 7, even though you're on a budget, girl, never you say it's too expensive for you. Start saying, I am worth it. I am worth it. Okay? Then you start asking yourself, how can I afford this? How do I afford this? But nothing is so expensive for you, darling. You're worth it. Number 8, be patient with yourself. Start showing yourself love and happiness. A man cannot resist a woman who treats herself the way in which she wants him to treat her. Do you want me to read that again for you? Do you want me to say it again for you? A man cannot resist a woman who treats herself the way she wants him to treat her. Number 9, don't play ignorant. If a man is not showing you any interest or make you feel like you deserved to be treated, girl, close that deal and move on. Number 10, lastly, I want you to say 3 times, I deserve endless love and happiness. I deserve endless love and happiness. I deserve endless love and happiness. One bonus for you guys. Start practice telling and showing yourself love. Don't wait on a man to start. Your happiness begins with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not yet a part of my channel, please click the subscribe button down below and leave a comment in the comment section below to let me know how you enjoyed this video and if you're open to share as well. Also guys, for the male, this video right here is definitely for you.